Hello, I'm Josee Couture. Welcome to Josee Couture Real Estate TV, your real estate home and garden channel. You may have heard already that there are some serious changes coming to Canadian mortgages effective January the 1st, 2018. If you're looking to buy a home or you are a homeowner looking to refinance, you must act before December 31st, 2017. Do you know how this will impact you? This month, I would like to introduce you to our guest, Jason Friesen from Verico Mortgages, who will explain to us in a simple language how these new rules will affect mortgage pre-qualification. Jason, welcome and thanks for being here with us today.
Hi Josee, thanks for having me.
In terms of percentages under the new mortgage rules, can you explain what the main changes will be?
Sure, Josee. So as of January 1st, 2018, all conventional borrowers, so borrowers who are putting 20% or more down, are now required to qualify using a stress test rate. Previously, only CMHC borrowers, so borrowers who were putting less than 20% down, had to qualify at this higher posted rate. What that basically means, for example, is let's just say a client has an interest rate of 3% on their mortgage. They have to qualify based now currently on an interest rate that's 2% above where that interest rate they're actually paying is. So with a higher interest rate used for qualification, it means the borrower will qualify for less.
So Jason, why are the guidelines for conventional mortgages stricter than for high ratio mortgages under the new rules?
That's a good question, Josee. One that we currently don't have all the answers to. But if you look at it from a lender's perspective, a lender would rather have 10 clients buying a $300,000 condo and putting 5% down versus one client buying $1 million house with 20% down. The reason for that is all borrowers who put less than 20% down have CMHC mortgage insurance, which guarantees their loan in the event that should they default on their mortgage, CMHC will actually cover any losses. A borrower who's putting 20% down doesn't have that same kind of guarantee, so it's actually a riskier loan for a bank to provide someone a mortgage with 20% down than someone taking a mortgage with just 5% down.
By the way, the changes take effect on January 1st, 2018. So what would you say to a buyer looking to qualify under the current rules in terms of deadline to take action?
For a buyer to be able to qualify under the existing rules, they must have entered an agreement to purchase a home and have that agreement be firm prior to December 31st, 2017. If they have not entered into an agreement prior to that date, their pre-approval, if they are pre-approved, will basically be cut back to qualify under the new guidelines. Which, for example, if a borrower previously qualified, let's say for $850,000 for a pre-approval, that number might be cut back as low as $650,000 to $670,000.
Wow.
It's a pretty significant cutback on the amount that someone qualifies for.
So Jason, if I understand correctly, the one date to remember is December 31st, 2017. Does that affect people refinancing their home as well with the same dates?
It does, Josee. Anyone that's thinking about refinancing their home must make sure that they submit their application off prior to December 31st, 2017. Whereas for a purchase, you're able to close whenever the actual closing date takes place, whether it be 6 months, a year if it's a new construction, 5 years if it's a new construction. For a refinance, it must actually close within 4 months of that December 31st date for the lender to honor it under the old existing terms.
So Jason, thank you so much for being here today with us.
Thanks again for having me, Josee.
There's no doubt that these new rules will impact home buyers and current homeowners drastically, but if you think about it, it will also impact sellers and renters as a result. For more information about this topic, Toronto real estate or neighborhoods, I'm just a click or a call away. We hope that you enjoyed this month's video. To follow along with us, please click subscribe at the end of the video. And if you like our video, please click like and share. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you next month.